Welcome. The night stretches across the desert. The air still holds the warmth of the day, and the silence feels endless. Breathe slowly. Feel the warm air entering your body. And as you exhale, leave behind the noise, the speed, the expectations. In front of you, only sand, sky, and distance. The desert is in no hurry, and neither are you. Every imagined step across the sand takes you farther from the noise of the world and brings you closer to a clearer part of yourself. Look at the stars above you. Millions of unmoving lights, silent, as if time itself had stopped. Your mind begins to open, like the horizon of the desert, wide, infinite, without limits. If a thought appears, observe it and let it disappear into the distance, like wind crossing the dunes. Now simply listen to the wind, your breathing, the deep rhythm within you. Within you there is calm, steady, silent, ancient, like the desert beneath the moon. You already here.